Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Park on level ground and set parking brake. Use wheel chocks on opposite wheels. Chalk both wheels diagonal to the one you will lift. Remove loose items from the cargo area and have a 2-ton floor jack, 2 3-ton jack stands, lug wrench, and breaker bar ready. Locate manufacturer jacking point under pinch weld behind front wheel. Consult the owner manual if unsure. Wear gloves and safety glasses. Never rely on the jack alone. Always use jack stands rated above the vehicle weight. Position a 2-ton floor jack under the jacking point and pump until contact with the pinch weld. Center the jack saddle under the jacking pad and continue pumping until the tire is clear of the ground. Raise the Jeep to about 12 inches of lift or enough to clear the tire comfortably. Slide 2 3-ton jack stands under the reinforced pinch weld or frame rail. Set both to equal height and securely lower the vehicle onto the jack stands. Give the vehicle a firm shake to confirm stability. Remove lug nuts with a breaker or lug wrench while the wheel is slightly off the ground, then fully remove the wheel and set it aside. Complete your repair or tire change, then reinstall the wheel and hand thread lug nuts. When finished, raise the vehicle slightly with the floor jack to clear the jack stands, remove jack stands, and slowly lower the jack while watching for contact. Once the vehicle rests on the ground, torque lug nuts to 100 ft-lb in a star pattern, and recheck torque after the...
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.